Yo, Shaggy. Yo, cuz. Family.
You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again and people who are going. I hope everybody have a good day and a Sunday. You see me? Today we want for all a reason, about POPCAAN. You see me? And the success with POPCAAN have over the European tour and all these things. Included the loss of a very, very, very good friend to POPCAAN. Oima Cope. You see me? And again, people, we don't need to stop compare POPCAAN with Alkaline. All of that and more coming up.
Jeez! I swear, I'm base thing there. I'm checking represent for the baddest and the maddest YouTube channel, Chaddy More TV. You know the thing go. Hey, ladies, me love it when you blow like breeze. Girl, you got me weak in my knees. To me heart, me giving you the keys. But right now, I'm begging you, please. Fix good for me now, fix good for me now.
Chroma clap, me tell you when the chroma clap. AK fire shot a flick, make bone and pop. See them never own a strap. See every gun when me purchase, they a road and knock. Body drop that a more a taxi. Drive up picking at the taxi, the road a clap. Make you look who mama hold her up. Tell a pussy and no show man a act.
So you like that song? Go and go check it out. Link I go in the comment section. You see me? So people, POPCAAN sold out one venue of 12,500 people over England. And people, on a big man level, according to the video clip them what me get and the video clip them what me I go share with you in a few moments. Yo, to me, I'm more than that. You see me? And people, if you ever see, the people them over England are sing out the man tune them word for word, line for line. Them now make no mistake, you see me? So, me I say, POPCAAN going good. And POPCAAN is really, really on an international level. This prove that we are talking fact, not fiction around here. You see me? But before we go into the part there, we want to talk about POPCAAN friend. You see me? We want to talk about POPCAAN friend. You see me? Shaggy, yeah man. So, people, by this, you're supposed to know. And if you don't know, you don't now follow up social media or even you don't now follow up my channel because I did a review on it. So, a couple days ago, POPCAAN friend passed away. You see me? Somebody running in a POPCAAN house and stab up him friend. You see me? And some people are say a robbery and other people are say, I just bad mind. You see it? So, me not really know. And then, mainstream media is not carrying it. You see me? So mainstream media, when I say mainstream media, meaning CVM, TVJ, and all these media houses, them not carry it. And right now, a vloggers break the story, So to me, I just vloggers are mainstream media right now. Anyway, still, what me I say? Yo, the people them running a POPCAAN house and stab up Shaggy. You see me? And once a year stab, to me, it just red flag right there. So. You see me? A red flag wave. Because there's no way somebody where in our house, where you control a house there, you are the man in other house there, are you POPCAAN left in charge of the house there, and you tell me say a man for run in and just stab you up. You see me? Preet. If him run in, me nah say can't run in and stab you up but you must have some force entry. You see me? A man can just forward in and hold you up and shoot you up with a gun. You see me? But stabbing, that would make it look like say yo as somebody we know him. Then me hear one other something where I say yo then they tie him up, you see it, and then stab him. I don't know which one of them is true or but all me know me see a photo a grown on social media which you don't know say me nah go share that photo with you. We don't only talk about the photos. We me never let two like talk about them photo but me I tell you, Jah no star. It disturbing. You see me? If you see the man there. Yo, Jah. R.I.P. Shaggy, you see it? And me know say POPCAAN feel away. You see it? Because in a performance over London, you see me? It's like him even shout out and say, yo, R.I.P. Shaggy. And he make countless posts on him Instagram. I say, yo, Jah no star. Him lose a friend. You see me? A good friend. And people, Shaggy and POPCAAN are forward from far. You see me? Far them are forward from. So them are like brother, you see it. Even though them are not blood brother or blood family or anything like that, but them close them way there. You see me? So, yo, I just one of them things there. Me have to say condolence goes out to the whole family and all these things, you see me? And all of the entertainer them, everybody we try to entertain, you see me? A matter of fact, all of the Jamaicans them, you know, just watch out in that. Because sometimes some crosses can reach, you know. Channel stuff. Anyway, still. So people, on the next topic we more have to talk about, you see me? Are this Alkaline and POPCAAN. Yo, Alkaline and POPCAAN. Let me see now. People, this is how we more have to say. You don't need to stop compare Alkaline and POPCAAN. You see, me know me I'll get a whole heap of cussing feet, you know. But I'm telling you this. You see POPCAAN in our next league by himself. Me not see no other grounded dancehall artist. And when me say grounded, Jano star. If POPCAAN I listen to this, he more why me. When me say grounded, me mean, me not see no more authentic, real underground dancehall artist forward upon the forefront in a long while upon the international market. That me mean. You see me? So you know say Buju them they do it, and you know say Elephant Man they do it. Yeah, because Elephant and the grassroots dancehall artists. You see me? And you know say yo Bounty Killer and all them artists they do it. But in a few generation, me not see no artists do it yet. And when me say few generation again, after Cartel and Movado them. You see me? We don't see them do it. Alkaline, him a try him thing and him thing a work. And don't get me wrong, Alkaline is a very good artist. Alkaline are one of the best artists we boss from in this decade. You see me? But we still have to understand say POPCAAN, the way up here so and Alkaline the there so. You see me? POPCAAN in a one different league artist. POPCAAN is international. You see me? But then again, make we try stop compare them. Make we tell Alkaline say, yo, dog, just work on your craft a little bit. You see me? Work up on your stage performance in a one way. You see me? You can do good on that. You see me? But POPCAAN sold out the show, you know, man. yo, if a little pitney did want to squeeze in at the venue to the venue did pack, them could hold. Well done, POPCAAN. Me I telling a long time. Me not see one show sold out so. Me not see one artist go international and deal with a stage so. You see me? And the people them know the man song word for word. The man, yo, you know, the people them are sing out family. Yeah, man. So that's well done POPCAAN. And this for all of the people them we are talk about say dancehall in a deep state and dancehall in a this depression state. And we don't know what gonna be the future of dancehall. Yo, man, me telling you this, man. You see all when Vibes Cartel gone, you see all when Movado gone, you see all when Bounty Killer, Alkaline, POPCAAN, all of these new artists gone. Me I tell you still I go have other artists who forward up and step up to the plate. So you see this dancehall thing, it only get greater. Only greatness you go see. You see me? So this are just my few talk when I tell the people them say, yo, stop try compare them on them. You see me? Alkaline in our league by himself and then POPCAAN in our league by himself. You see me? Both of them are good artists, but both of them in our different league. And adapt me officer. You see me? Anyhow, people, check out POPCAAN performance. You see me? And don't forget, if you like this video, click the like button, man. And we can have a discussion in the comment section as well. You see me? And people, may have a live show every Monday night at 8 o'clock. Every Monday night at 8 o'clock. Just visit Chaddy TV, man. We are going to stream live. You see me? So we can just have some live talks, live discussion, telephone interviews and all these things. You see me? Call in if you want. All of them thing here. I go there. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And just check out this clip before you go out. Yes.
Come